बेंगलुरु में फैल्कन इंस्टीट्यूशन में तालीम हासिल कर रही पीयूसी साइंस की तालिबा लक्ष्मी ने साइंस से जुड़ी मालूमात पेश करके अपनी पढ़ाई के दौरान साइंस और टेक्नोलॉजी से तलबा की दिलचस्पी और काबिलियत को सामने रखा है, जिसको देखने के बाद ये अंदाज़ा लगाना मुश्किल नहीं कि उनमें मुस्तकबिल का साइंसदान बनने की सलाहियत मौजूद है। बस ज़रूरत है तो उनकी रहनुमाई की, जो यहाँ के असातिज़ा बहुस्नो खूबी अंजाम देते हैं। इस प्रेजेंटेशन वाली वीडियो में तालिबा लक्ष्मी ने अपने क्लास के निसाब में सीखे हुए मजमून को बहुस्नो खूबी पेश करके साइंस के मैदान में स्टूडेंट्स के रुझान को वाज़ेह करने की कोशिश की है।
Myself Lakshmi Ji of first PU. So we have chemistry. The subject is chemistry and the topic is concentration terms. So I have a question for you all. An aqueous solution of 6.3 grams of oxalic acid dehydrate is made up to 250 ml. The volume of 0.1 normality NaOH required to completely neutralize 10 ml of the solution is. So this question might feel a kind complicated, but it's easy to solve. So let's see how to solve this thing. So we have 6.3 grams of oxalic acid, which is nothing but H2C2O4 into H2O. So they have given 6.3 grams of oxalic acid dehydrate is made up of 250 ml. So we have the volume 250 ml. They're asking the volume of 0.1 normality NaOH required to completely neutralize 10 ml of this solution. So they have given the normality as 0.1 and they're asking what is the volume to neutralize this normality. Let's find the equivalent gram. So we all know that normality is nothing but the gram equivalent number of, it's nothing but number of gram equivalent by the volume of the solution. Volume of the solution in liter. So we have to find the number of gram equivalent in this oxalic acid dehydrate. So they have given 6.3 grams, the given, but we have to find the number of gram equivalent, which is nothing but given mass by gram equivalent mass. So how do you find this gram equivalent mass here? So we have to find the atomic mass of oxalic acid dehydrate, which is nothing but 2. Hydrogen's atomic mass is 1. So 1 into 2 is nothing but 2. And we know that carbon's atomic mass is 12. So 12 into 2. So we know that the molecular mass of this is nothing but 126 grams. So to find this gram equivalent mass, we have to take the molecular mass of this, which is nothing but 126, by the number of replaceable hydrogen atom. So the number of replaceable hydrogen atom here is 2. We can only replace 2 hydrogen atom in acid. We all know that the N factor of acid is the basicity. So the basicity is here is 2. So 2. I get 63. So when I divide 126 by 2, I get 63. So I got the gram equivalent mass over here. So I'm going to substitute here. So the given mass is 6.3 grams here.